So real quick, let's see what's in the kit. You get 2 airbags, a narrow one and a wider one. This is the pole that you're going to use as your main tool, and then a variety of pry tools that are made from heavy duty plastic, and then this really strong wedge. There's a couple wrenches in here that are used to tighten the pole. All right, let's give it a try. The keys are there in the ignition, and right behind the keys there's an unlock button, so I'm going to try to go for that one. If not, I'm going to try to do the door handle, which is right down under here. I have one wedge in here which has opened up a space, so I stuck in this smaller air pouch. I'm going to pump it up. Once it gets tight, it's harder to squeeze it. You have a bit of strength, but it definitely is, little by little, it's wedging it open a little bit more. All right, now it was enough. I was able to slide this down in, even past the weather stripping. I'll pump this up and we can see if we can open up the top a little bit. Oh, that's pretty amazing. It's not super hard to pump. Now it's getting harder. Ugh. Now I've opened up a little bit of a crack there. I can try to get the maneuvering pole in there. So I'm just gonna screw this together. So that'll screw in there. There, I have all the pieces fit together, and you can see how long it is. It's actually taller than the car. So just want to show you real quick this inside. So I don't know if I can get the lock button over there, so I'm gonna try for the handle. It's a little hard to see it, so we'll see what I can do. Got it. Yay. All right, we got it. All right, now that we got it, I just need to put everything away. So to deflate this bag, you just gotta push this button. It will release the air. You need to press it down with your hand just to get it flattened again. Definitely a good set. This will be really handy to have for myself or any friends who might have the same issue. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.